Okay, let's see attack. Jib out, Hannah, jib out. Sit now, back to jib. Yeah, brilliant. That's it, that's it. That's it, now you can swap sides again, Hannah. Well done, good stuff. Okay, now you can bring your main back on, Sully. That's it. That's it, just sit on the side and hopefully it'll come back. Just sit down. Easy jib off a little bit, Hannah. Can you feel the boat's trying to bear away and we want to head up, don't we? So let's ease the jib. That's it. That's better. Now we can get going again. Hannah, come up. Come up, Hannah. Jib on. I wouldn't go on the wire if I were you. Sorry, that's my fault. You're stuck on me now. You're stuck on me now.